Good morning, you guys. Today I'd like to set out some expectations for your typing because this is the first assignment or one of the first assignments where you guys will be typing on the computer for us. I know it's not your first time typing, but it's important that you know what Ms. Corbin and I expect in order to get the best grade possible. And just in the future, we're going to have other assignments where you might be typing, or you will be typing, not might be, you will be. So I just want to show you some examples of some things that we expect so that you know as you begin typing to double check your work and make sure that you've done the best job possible. So starting off, I would like to talk about capitalization because as you've probably been told since you were little, first grade at least, all of our sentences and proper nouns should start with capital letters. So as you begin to type about yourself, this is the All About Me slide that we're going to be working on together. I'd like for you to remember to start your sentences with capital letters. So instead of saying, my name is, of course we have autocorrect, but my name is Dr. Hasty. My name is a proper noun. I am a person. So we want to make sure that you go back and make sure that these letters are capital. The other thing I'd like for you to notice is when I put my name is Dr. Hasty, I didn't put several spaces in between each word so that everything's gapped out and spaced out. Make sure whenever you're putting a space between your words that it's just one spacebar click. Okay, one spacebar click. So we have spaces, one space in between words, capital letters for the beginning of your sentences or for proper nouns. And of course, at the end of a sentence, we would always want you to have punctuation. So this is a statement. I'm just stating to you my name, so I would use a period. If you were to have a question, we would want to end with a question mark. If you're really excited or upset, or there's any kind of emotion in what you're saying, we would use an exclamation mark. So, typing expectations, capital letters, one space in between, words, and punctuation. Okay? The other thing that I would like to talk about that has to do with spacing is when you're writing maybe a paragraph and you're going to go to a new paragraph and you have several paragraphs on a page. Make sure that when you start a new paragraph that you have one space in between and not going on to another page so that Ms. Corbin and I don't think you're finished and then actually you weren't finished. Okay, so make sure that spacing between words, spacing between paragraphs is minimal. It's just a little bit. We don't need a lot of spaces. We just need enough that we are able to read it. So what you've been writing is readable for us and for your classmates because we may be viewing each other's things and we want to make it easy to see where you're going to a new idea or a new thought. I hope that makes sense to you. And hopefully it's something that's not too new. I know this isn't the first time we've done a lot of stuff online. So probably these are not new expectations, but they're expectations we really look for you to double check before you turn in any of your typed work so that we all can read it, understand it, and be able to give you some good feedback to make it better the next time. If you have any questions about this, today when we break into our small groups to work on our presentations, on our All About Me slides, we'll be able to answer for you. I will see you in just a little bit. Bye.